go, baby. Go, Bubby. Go, Paris. Ready to get a little funny tail. Are you guys ready there? Look how cute it is.
Yes, we do.
We're on a tractor ride. Go, baby. Bubby. Come on it. Let me see you. Ah, fall down. Oh, look it. Is that a ladybug? Let me see your ears, baby.
Oh, I see it. I see. Okay.
It is a ladybug.
It was a ladybug, huh? I knew it. Where is it at?
Wow. You could have brought your hat.
So the tractor ride is included in your entrance, so you don't have to pay any tickets for that.
I'm not scared of a ladybug.
You're not, because it's lucky. Remember I told you what, baby?
I know that hurt.
I know, me too.
Yeah.
Look at the bird.
Wow, puppy.
So this is where all the farm is, like all the fruits and vegetables. We're gonna come pick some. I want to pick strawberries because that's what they love the most. So the tractor ride drops you off right where you can get the strawberries, and then another one will come like to pick you up after you're done. So we're about to pick some strawberries, but we have to go get the container. He said it's in the shed right here, so let's see. Pick your own.
Let's wait for the tractor.
Oh yeah, right here. Get a container, baby. So in the little shed, that's where they have like the little containers, and they have the price list on all the fruits and veggies that you could pick from.
Wait.
So excited! I can't wait. Come on, let's go.
Where's the
Strawberries right here somewhere. Oh, strawberries. $2.29 up to $2.29. Oh, that's good. I usually buy more. I mean, pay like $5. Right there. Bubba, you have to put it in the you have to put it in the container, and then we're gonna put it in the bag.
Oh.
Sorry. Right there, over there, that side. That side right there, look.
That one? Right. Which one did you want?
Yeah, that one. Let's pick that one. Let me see it, Bubba. Can I see it? Cool, there's another one over there. There's another one that we can get right there, yeah.
Yours. And
That's cute. Oh. Okay.
what? It got eaten.
Okay, not those ones. Don't get those ones.
Why?
Oh, look at Peppa, look at Peppa. Good job. Okay, let's pick more. Come on. Let's go pick some more. Look at this huge field that we can get of strawberries. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Peppa. Good job.
Probably have bees here.
Okay, let's go get more.
How do we?
Picking strawberries in the huge strawberry field. Pick them, baby. Get the strawberries. Yay! Let me see how many we got already.
I got.
How many do we have already? Good job. This is fun, huh? Good job, baby. What are we gonna go get?
Oranges!
Oranges. Look at Peppa. What did you got? What'd you get, baby?
Babies.
Straw babies. Oh, so cute. You got a lot of them. She insisted on carrying them.
Those are for me and her.
Yeah, and for me too. I love strawberries. Look at her. Yeah, I want an orange too. Make sure it's a good one. Now we are getting oranges. How cute. Yeah, that one's perfect. Good job.
I took it.
I know. So now, let me see, baby. What are we getting? Oranges. Bubba's not joking around. He really wants his oranges. But look how pretty they are. I've never actually seen like a orange tree. It's so cool. Did you get one, baby? Let me see yours.
I was getting stuck in
Perfect. Good job. Now put it in your bag. Yeah. Okay, let's go now. Let's go back. Fun fact, Bubba loves oranges. He can eat like 20 of them. We go to Soup Plantation and all he wants is a plate full of the little orange slices because he loves oranges. Huh, baby?
That was gross.
And Peppa and Apple love straw babies. That's how Peppa says it. Look at the little bees.
I want to get on it.
How cute, look at this little ride.
I want to get on it.
Yeah. So here's the strawberries we chose. And we're gonna get back on the tractor to go to have some more fun. Tractor slide. Go, babies. Go, you guys. Comes Baba.
1, 2, 3. Go ahead.
Woo. Go, guys. Go up here. She did it. Woo. Good job. Huh. So now we are doing the Easter egg hunt. And oh, I need to get my tickets. So we brought our own baskets, but you can get one for $1 here. Sorry. You can buy them for $1 here. You want one, baby? Yeah.
Okay.
Bubba, you have your basket. Look, you have a white one right here.
I don't want that one.
Okay. I'll get another one.
Okay.
How cute is that? The little farmhouse. Look at the Easter bunny on top. Look it, we found one. Good job. Now Bubba, go keep looking. Doing an Easter egg hunt now. Let me see, you got an egg? Wow, good job. You found another one? Yay, how cool. Yay, Easter eggs. Yeah, cool. Did you find one? Good job.
I just need 2 more.
Okay.
I'm looking for twinsies.
Woo! And another one over there. I see. Look. Oh wow, there's a lot. Woo! Yay! They're in the bushes. Bubby. Wow, there's a lot of them here, huh?
Mom, I'm gonna dump the basket.
Ah! So how many did you find?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Good job.
I'm gonna go.
Look at Paris. She found like 10. She's just collecting all of them. But we're throwing them back in so other people could get them. You got the eggs. Good job.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. Go ahead.
Oh, Bubba, wait. Wait.
So when you're done, you put them in the big little barnyard. Recycle them. Then you choose 6 of them from these barrels. They actually have stuff inside of them, candy or toys. There's a ladybug on her head. Cool. Shake it. Okay, get your 6. Is there 6, 2, 4? Okay, come on, let's go. Yeah, this is 6.
Papa, why did they put the
Come on.
others in there?
That's so we could find them over there. Come on, let's go. You guys, I forgot to mention that they have like little wagons that you can like rent. But when we got here, it was so packed that they didn't have any, so I just got my stroller. And our other wagon is in Daddy's car, and Daddy was at work, so they couldn't use the wagon. I also have like little games here. It's like a sack game. Spin the wheel. Okay, hold on. How huge these are. They also have a few trucks for like refreshments and treats. Popcorn. So we are taking a little break right now. They have little lunch benches so you can bring your own lunch. Huh? What is that? What is that?
All the rest of
Sing it! Say, she was singing mommy finger because it has nails on it. It's so funny.
Mom, look
Mommy
at the
finger, mommy
Mom,
finger.
look at the side.
Oh, I know, I already opened that one.
Is it that one?
Are at the chicken coop. Look at the little chicks. Look at. Not focusing. Oh, there you go. How cute are they? No, we can't pet them because they're babies. Oh, you know, I think we can feed them. What are they? What are they? They're chickens. Look at the chickens. How cool. What? Chicken, yeah. That's cool. Now we are going to the pony ride. This one is 5 tickets. And you have to be under 48 inches. Look at it right here.
We're gonna wait for them to move and then I'm gonna check you out, okay?
What? Cool, you're petting him? Nicely, nicely, Peppa. Let me see, touch him nicely. Oh. Hi, Bubba. Oh, good job. Hi, Paris.
Wait there. Wait one.
Touch him nicely, baby, nicely. So now there's all these animals. The goats. Look at the goat on top of the... I don't know if you can see him. Look at him. Huh? He's on top of the truck. What? Look at the cow. You see the cow? Wow, he's big. Look at the one over there. What? We can't pet these ones, no, baby.
Why?
I don't know. Look. Oh, so cute. Where?
No riding it.
Good job, baby. You want to get one? Get one. Good job. Go, Paris. Do it, baby. No, you have to clean his hair. Good job. Good job. Look how cute he is. He's so tiny.
I just want to carry it.
I know, he's so cute.
Where did we put it?
You can put it back in the basket. Look how tiny he is. Look how tiny he is. Oh my god, he's so cute. He's the cutest little... Go, look, that's a big one. He's so cute. I want to take him home. He's so cute. Baby one. He's a little goat. Yeah. Oh, he's hugging him.
It's so cute. I just want to use.
Let me see. All 3 you can see.
Avery, come on.
So tiny. Cool, Hobbit. Look at baby. There's more little babies. Look at us like Apple and Bubba and Peppa. Look at, they're so cute. They're so cute. Oh. Look at that one. What? Good job. She's feeding him. Good job, baby. It's okay. Baby. Huh? See how little he is. Look how little he is. So cute. Be nice. What, baby?
Okay, are they friends?
The baby ones? There's a turkey. There's donkeys and alpacas. There's ducks. Can't see them over there, but they're over there. Cool. See them right there? Cool. Yeah, the ducky, look at him over here. He's coming. They have these little tractor rides. They're cute. Look at that. That's huge. What? Kind of looks like an ostrich, but I don't think it's an ostrich. Okay, let's... Whoa. Say hi. So now we are going to play... Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Hi. We're going to go on the swings. Paris wants to go on the swings. Bye, baby. It's a cute little playground. Go. And then there's a little sandbox on the other side. Hi, baby. What are you doing? The swing. Hi. Let's see Bubba go down the slide. Woo, good job. Apple's turn. Good job, baby. Peppa the swing. Hi guys. Woo! Next little one. Go Paris. Go Paris. And then they have like a little section where you can buy all, oh look, they even have chocolate pills. Where you can buy all of the fruit and veggies that they actually have here. So the kids love rocks. They fill these little sacks with all the little rocks that they want. Here, it's only $3.95. Let me see yours, baby. What's inside of here? Right. Now it's ice cream break time. We have like little gourmet fruit bars. He's silly. Look at her little fanny pack. It's so cute. Look at his tongue. Okay, you guys, we are officially done with the farm. Oh, my Peppa, she's like. So we are done with the farm. It was so fun. Sorry, my hair keeps going to my face. It was so fun. So I wasted $60 in total. And we were able to do the Easter egg hunt. We were able to do the petting zoo, and we were able to do the pony rides. And all the other stuff was free, so it was pretty fun. We loved it here. I've been trying to come here for like ever, and I haven't been able to because I know that they have like a really cute like little Halloween thing. So I've been trying to go. Oh, and by the way, my glasses, they are from Grant Vision. I love them. I already keep all my pairs in my car because I always forget stuff. Especially when I don't have makeup on, I'm like, just throw them on, but they are the best. Yeah, I love my Grant Vision glasses. They're so cute. But anyway, so yeah, I paid $60 in total, and that was for all 4 of us. And it was so much fun. There's so many things to do. I definitely recommend it. I know this video is going to be a little late, like close to Easter, but I wanted to make sure that I actually posted it so you guys could have something to do if you guys don't know what to do for spring break, which is what we did, because I was literally stuck on like, what am I supposed to do? But so I have another day planned tomorrow, but I'm not gonna post, I don't think I'm gonna post that one, but I wanted to show you guys this one because I thought it was so cool and so fun. This is our first time being on a farm, and we love picking the strawberries and the fruit. It was so cool, huh? Did you guys have fun? Yeah, they're eating their ice cream right now. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Join the family. Join the fam. Huh?